parti keadaan election should not split the party. The smooth election of Kuala Selangor Parti Keadilan Division on Sunday proved that democratic process upheld by the party can proceed in a calm and mature manner when conducted systematically. I would like to thank everyone, Division Party workers, PKR Central Election Committee, Unit Amal, Rela and the police who had helped to ensure no untoward incident took place in the division election in Kuala Selangor. I strongly believe Keadilan has made timely move to initiate this unprecedented and historical move to hold one member, one vote election aimed to train members in practicing democracy, strengthening leadership, thereby elevating democracy to a higher level, and most importantly, to nip money politics in its bud. However, I am saddened by the ongoing campaign tactics and ugly incident that took place during division election, as it does not bode well with the party's real spirit. To my mind, Parti Keadilan leaders must do away with the tradition of dirty politics that has caused much hatred among the rakyat towards our political opponents. Factional leadership and personal attacks are things of the past. Our leaders must take advantage of this election to make way for a new political landscape and show the rakyat that we are capable, rational and professional politicians. As one of the party leaders and Menteri Besar of a Pakatan Rakyat government, I see the need to make a decision that is brave, bold and wise to ensure party unity is intact. I hereby declare myself to contest for a position within the party's top leadership. I have informed Keadilan President, Datuk Seri Wan Azizah Wan Ismail, and Advisor, Datuk Seri Anwar Ibrahim, of my decision and the reasons for doing so. They have not only agreed with my decision, but also given their blessing. After a short discussion with them, I decided only to announce the position I intend to run for after Anwar's returns home by October 10, 2010, to deter unhealthy speculation and negative perception among party members, which can be used by our opposition to further undermine the party. I will also initiate discussion, musyawarah, with top leadership in the party as well as within Pakatan Rakyat before making my announcement. I reiterate that my decision to contest is solely for one mission: to rejuvenate the spirit of reformasi that had built Keadilan based on respect and tolerance. And I hope the other leaders will join me in this quest. Terima kasih. Okey, boleh. Among the, it could be deputy, it could be others. Yes, that could be there. But I'm not going to announce it formally until the 10th. Kenapa? Supaya Datuk Seri akan bersama-sama dengan rakan-rakan untuk membuat pengumuman sebab terlalu banyak spekulasi.
Jadi melihat daripada pemilihan cabang ni, jadi adakah rasa Pakatan bersedia untuk pemerintah bergaduh-gaduhnya dengan masalah penipuan?
Ini pertama kali yang pernah kita buat. Pertama, UMNO pun tak berani nak buat. MCA langsung tak percaya. MRC boleh jadi lagi teruk, tapi itu spekulasi saya jelah. Tapi ini pertama kali kita meminta rakyat turun, rakyat yang menjadi ahli keadilan turun pergi mengundi. Dan ini pelajaran yang sangat besar untuk kita. Saya setuju. One vote, one choice tu saya setuju. Tapi pelaksanaan tu kita baru belajar. Ini kali yang pertama. Oleh sebab itu banyak pengalaman-pengalaman yang boleh kita perbaiki. Jadi adakah cara ini cara yang terbaik? Saya ingat betul. Sebab kalau kita masa cara-cara yang dulu, kita hanya ambil wakil-wakil ranting ataupun wakil-wakil kawasan, wakil-wakil kawasan dan bawa. Jadi hanya tak sampai 2,000 orang. Macam kalau UMNO hampir 2,000 orang untuk menentukan kepimpinan. Tapi sekarang bukan 2,000. Ahli parti keadilan ialah 400,000. Jadi boleh jadi 30% sekarang katalah pergi melakukan dan kita dapat 120,000. Ini satu angka yang sangat besar. Jadi itu yang kita lakukan. Tapi saudara akan melihat parti keadilan ni very idealistic lah. Maknanya dia idealistic. Dia cuba. Tapi bukan senang. Bukan senang. Saya pun rasa memang juga rasa bukan senang boleh dilaksanakan dengan tertib, dengan betul. Sebab kita menjaga orang ramai. Ada yang kalah dia rasa tak sedap hati. Tapi tak apalah. Ini permulaan. Dan walaupun daripada beberapa ratus bahagian, yang insiden berlaku tak sampai 20. Jadi maknanya tidak semua tempat berlakulah. Tapi kalau dapat dilakukan dengan tertib, kita boleh berjaya.